Hello students, today we will learn how to expand and simplify if you have more than two brackets. So first of all, we will take the first two brackets, we will solve them and then whatever the numbers we'll get from there, then we will continue with the third bracket. So the first two brackets are x minus 4 into x minus 2. So first of all, we will solve them. So to solve them, we'll write on x here and we'll write on x minus 2 minus 4 x minus 2. Now we will multiply them x into x plus x into negative 2. If you have a negative sign, always write within the bracket. Then minus 4 into x, put a dot there, then minus 4 into minus 2. As I said, if there is a negative sign, we always need to put the bracket. Now after this, x into x is x square plus into minus is minus x into 2 is 2x. Then minus 4x. Then minus into minus is plus 4 into 2 is 8. Now we have to see the like terms. So we have minus 2x minus 4x as a like term. We'll write down here x square minus 6x plus 8. So from the first two brackets, we'll get x square minus 6x plus 8. We'll write down that. Then we have a third bracket. Now we will simplify it. So you can just simplify it, writing it as x plus 4 outside, then x square minus 6x plus 8. So that you will have only easy way to find out the solution for this question. So now we will open the bracket x into x square plus x into minus 6x, then plus x into 8 plus 4 into x square plus 4 into negative 6x plus 4 into 8. Now we will multiply them. X into x square is x raised to power 3 plus into minus is minus x into x is x square and 6x square will get here when we multiply x with 6x. Then plus 8x plus 4x square plus into minus is minus 4 into 6 is 24 and we'll get x here. Then plus 32. Now we have to write the like terms together. Now it will be equals to x raised to power 3 minus 6x square plus 4x square. Make sure you will not change the sign of the numbers. Then plus 8x minus 24x plus 32. Now we will solve them. We'll get x raised to power 3. Now this is minus 6 and plus 4. We will get minus 2x square. Now this is plus 8 minus 24. We'll get minus 16x plus 32. So this is how we can solve if we have a 3 brackets and we want to expand and want to simplify. We will work with one more question like this so that you will have a proper understanding of this topic, how to simplify, how to expand if the brackets are given. So let's work with the other example. First, we have to solve the first two brackets. So we'll get here m minus 6 into m minus 2. We'll write an m here. Then m minus 2 minus 6, m minus 2. Now we'll multiply m into m plus m into negative 2 minus 6 into m minus 6 into negative 2. We'll get it equals to m square plus into minus minus 2m minus 6m minus into minus is plus 6 into 2 is 12. We'll get it equals to m square minus 8m plus 12. Now, as I suggested, we'll write down the third bracket first, this one, and then we will write down the solution we got after solving the first two brackets. Now after this, we'll just open the brackets again. We'll write down is equals to m into m square. If you don't want to write it directly, you can just put a bracket like this, m into m square minus 8m plus 12, the whole second bracket, minus 1 into m square minus 8m plus 12. Now we can open the bracket, m into m square plus m into negative 8m plus 12 into m. Then minus 1 into m square minus 1 into minus 8m minus 1 into 12. Now we'll get it equals to m raised to power 3. Now this is plus and this is minus. We'll get here minus 8m into m is m square plus 12m minus 1m square minus into minus is plus 8m minus 12. Now we have to write the like terms together. M raised to power 3 minus 8m square minus 1m square plus 12m plus 8m minus 12. We'll get it equals to m raised to power 3 minus 8 minus 1 means minus 9m square plus 12 plus 8 means 20m minus 12. So this is how you can solve these kind of questions. If you like the video, do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel and share my channel link with your friends. Thanks for watching.